Hello traders, hello traders. The title of this video is how to use a simple market principle to make a profitable trades in financial markets. So if you're in the financial market, your goal is to make a profitable trade consistently. There will be the losing trade, but you want to make more winning trade than losing trade. And one of the things that you can use to make a profitable trade is to base all your trading strategies on a simple market principle. Now, I created various trading systems over the year, and I have tested some of them. And one thing that I found is that trading system that are built on a specific market principle is a trading system that are likely to stand the heat, so to speak, of the financial market. Now, whenever you are using any strategy, any trading strategy, or any investment strategy, you want to know what kind of market principle are you using. One example of a market principle will be a stock that is oversold, okay, but it has a brighter future, okay, is a golden nugget, for instance. So a stock that has a fair value of $50, for one reason goes below that $50 and become $30. They still keep making money, they still dominating the market, but they just went below their fair value, reaching $30, but their fair value is $50. Now they are below their fair value, their future is still looking bright. This is a golden nugget, yes or no? Very simple. So you want to use market principle whenever you are designing a trading or investing strategy. All right? The TSTW24 trading system that I created myself is based on a simple principle. All right? That when the financial instrument is going up, it will stay above the moving average 100. You can look on any time frame, whenever the price is going down, it will stay above the moving average 100. If it's going down, it will be below the moving average 100. On the monthly chart, yearly chart, quarterly chart, 5 minutes, 3 minutes, anywhere else. All together, combined with other technical indicators, you can build. But your system is built not on the indicator that you combine, but on the market principle. That's the foundation of the building of that system. So you start saying, George, tell me how to use a simple market principle to make a profitable trade in financial market. Yeah, we need the introduction first, my friend. Hold it, please. Stay put. Don't go away yet. Okay. So we are looking at United Continental Holdings Incorporated, EPIC UAL, United Continental Holdings Incorporated. All right. So we're going to use a simple market principle to make a profitable trade, to show you how to make a profitable trade. If you look at this chart, the price did perform 180 degrees, which means it turned around. Here it is. You see that? It went up first and it went down, yes or no? That's the lowest point. Then it went back up, yes or no? So this move that has started here, went down here, it returned back to the starting point. You see that line there? That's what we call a cycle point. Okay? If you see a higher low above any cycle point, you must take that trade because what? It's a high probability setup. Can you see any higher low above that peak line, which is a cycle point? This is the common centralized marker here. This one here is a high probability setup there, right there. Market principle. Price from a cycle point and from a higher low. You want to take advantage of that using a different time frame. So this was not a very good one. You retest it, right? It went up a bit, but crashed down. And this is a good one. It forms a clean cut, a higher low in comparison to this one here. I have not finished yet. I'm going to use another market principle to show you how to make a profitable trade in the financial market. There are many, even hundreds of market principles that we can work with. Alright? But here we are. So after I've applied from a round button, alright, professional will measure the width. So I'm not putting it all the way to the low here. I'm a conservative trader. Okay? From here to here. So they will put it above the top of that circle point. So there's a market principle that stated that if a financial instrument is going down, it's not going down for no reason. It's always going to a target level. So when you see a circle point, this is what's happened. The price is going up, yes or no? Where is it going? You know it before it happened. It's going exactly there before it reaches that level. You know it. Isn't it good to know something back before it happens? Especially in this messy market? Isn't it good to understand the market principle? Isn't it good to work with the market principle instead of fighting them? You know it before it happens. And you also know that if there is an ultimate target, there is always what? A midpoint target. Have you been following that for a long time? So that's why you know it already. So that have been following that for years, know that already. So they know that there is a midpoint target here. Those traders that have been following that for years already know that there is a midpoint target here. They know that there is ultimate target also here. How do they know? Because they understand a simple market principle that stated that no financial instrument will go up or down for no reason. With that simple market principle, they know that those, if the price goes up above that decline and reaches that midpoint target level, some traders will be tempted, will be itching to take some profit. Why? Because, you know, the professional trader do not take only one trade if they know that it's happening. So if they are buying, they usually open 2 or 3 positions. So as the price reaches the midpoint target, they will close 1 or 2 trades, and then they will secure the last one. All right? So they want to get paid as the trend move up. But by opening multiple positions, they are taking a lot of risks, but they do it carefully. So they know. So if you were here and you know that market principle, and you see that that common center is broken, what will go through your mind here? You'll be saying that probably they are taking profit, and those who bought it here, they are taking profit, yes or no? Will you think that? You will. And you'll be implementing a different type of trading method, try to sell here. You will. You will. And it's not a bad decision. It's not a bad decision. All right? Now look at it. Price went back, you see. So between the 2 key levels, you see, there's always what? The midpoint level. It's another principle. So people are watching 1 key level, another price is always, now let's talk about another principle. Price is always going from 1 key level to the next key level. And between 2 key levels, there's a median line. Look at that. That key level, which is, okay, ultimate target level, there's a midpoint between that key level and that one there. Here it is. But you see that move that started here, we know that the ultimate target is there. Look at that. Blah, 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 blah. But it finally gets to the target. So when the price reaches the target, what usually takes place? People who were buying know, the professional traders know where the price is going. They know that there's a target is going to. And if you get there, you see, before it came close, you see some people came. Those are the first people who came out. They don't want any more blah, blah, blah. They are happy to take some profit before somebody try to erase their profit. And finally, somebody push it a little bit beyond. Now we have, okay, People coming out. Those are the greedy ones. They exceeded the target and they are coming out. How to use a simple market principle to make a profitable trade in financial market. So this is just a simple demonstration about how one can use the market principle favorably to make profitable trades in the financial market. The financial instrument that we were using today is United Continental Holdings Incorporated, EPIC, UAL, Uniform Alpha Lima. The market principle that I have used in this tutorial is based on a simple principle that if a financial instrument is going up or down, it's always headed to a specific target level. There is an ultimate target and there is a midpoint target level. The price has formed this round bottom, and we know that the target is this level of $92.80 before the price even reaches that level. We knew that there is a midpoint target at 71.14 before the price reaches that level. We understood, because of that market principle, that this is a high probability trading setup. We understood also that there is a high chance that people are likely to take some profit here. Will you promise me? By the way, you don't have to promise me anything. All right, that from today, you start using market principle to improve your day trading strategy, swing trading strategy, position trading strategy, investing trading strategy. All right. You have any question or suggestion? Feel free to put in the comment section. In due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. If you find this video useful, please let us know by giving us your beautiful thumbs up. If you think, George, I'm not impressed one bit, mark it down. However, if you think this is an essential tutorial, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, Twitter, Facebook, and Tumblr. And I really appreciate it when today, okay, share our video. If you're already trading forum, okay, feel free to give us to talk about us on your forum. 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel. Please subscribe there. You can tell your friends so they will do so. All right. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about how to use a simple market principle to make a profitable trades in financial markets. Subscribe to our YouTube channel today. Our YouTube channel is 24 Stock Trader, digit 2, digit 4 Stock Trader YouTube channel. Subscribe to that and be sure to click on the notification bell so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Sometimes I post video first on my Facebook page. My Facebook page is Stochastic-MACD. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about how to use a simple market principle to make a profitable trade in financial market. If you want to learn more about technical trading, go to www.stochastic-macd.com, www.dayprotraders.com, www.24idiotwaves.com. Thank you for watching, and I will speak to you soon. Happy trading to you all.